Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to install this closure wig right here. So right here, I'm just tying my hair back just to ensure no flyaways are in the way. And I go ahead and take the yellow Got To Be glue spray and I place that all over the closure. Next, I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm going to tie it down on top of the closure just so nothing is moving, and you know, when the glue is drying, it can stay in one place and everything could just look really good. So next, I'm going to take some argan oil and I'm going to put that all on the hair just to give it a little bit of shine, a little bit of moisture, because I did wash this hair the day before, so I just wanted, you know, to make it look alive. And this hair was two 26-inch bundles and an 18-inch closure. The hair was super long. As you guys can see, it went all the way down to my bottom. So right here, I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm really like going in with this hot comb on the closure because I wanted to give Naomi Campbell, y'all know what I'm saying, like that nice bust down middle part. So y'all want to make sure y'all doing a couple passes through the closure so everything is super duper flat. And then right here, I'm just getting ready to take off the elastic band. I just want to check on the lace, make sure it's looking good, and I'm pretty satisfied with how it's looking so far. So now we're going to get ready to cut the lace. So I tried to go in zigzag motions, but it really doesn't even look like I cut in zigzag motions. But just make sure you're taking your time with this part. You don't want to rush cutting the lace because, you know, you might cut too much or you might cut too little. It's best that you cut too little than to cut too much of the lace, because then you can always go back and cut more. So just make sure you're taking your time, being very tedious with this part. And then next, I'm going in with some foundation. This is the NARS foundation in the shade Nambia. I just go ahead and place that all over the closure just so everything can melt into my skin. And now I'm taking more Got To Be freeze spray and I'm applying that on the parts that didn't lay down totally. And next, I'm taking the elastic band again and I'm going to go ahead and tie that down on the closure just so everything can stay in place as before. So next, we're getting ready to style the unit. I'm just sectioning off my hair and tying the rest of the hair up so, you know, it's not in my way. And then I'm just going to get ready to comb out my hair, basically detangling it because I'm about to get ready to wand curl this unit. So my tip for wand curling your hair is you want to make sure you really detangle the hair, and you want to make sure you're wrapping the hair around the wand curler super tight to ensure that all the heat is getting distributed throughout the hair. And then you want to leave it on for about like 15 to 20 seconds. That's how you get them really nice luscious curls like that. And then you want to like scrunch it up, or if you have a pin or a bobby pin, you could go ahead and use that so it can really be tight. But this works for me too, so I'm just going to keep repeating the same thing over and over. I'm going to show you guys how I curl the hair a couple times. And y'all, it's honestly been so long since I've worn a unit. I really took a break from wigs because they break my forehead out so bad. I don't know why, but they just don't like me. So I've been doing like faux locks, braids. That's my go-to. But I'm like, you know what? I want to try a bust down, Naomi Campbell. Okay? Period. And this was really giving bust down, especially with the jet black. Oh my God, it looks so freaking good. Okay, so now we're getting into the final reveal. Yeah, talk about it. Yeah, period. Like, it looks so good, y'all. I was so happy. So now I'm taking a comb and I'm just making sure that all the curls are kind of falling the same way, because I wanted that, like, you know, wavy effect, if that makes sense. So you just want to take the comb, just gently comb out each, you know, section of the curl, just to make sure everything is going in the same direction. And now we're gonna take some spritz. This is holding spray, and the girls on TikTok said this hides your lace, so I'm finna try it and see what's the vibe. And I honestly think it did make a little bit of a difference, so I'm gonna implement that in my hairstyling tutorials from now on. And y'all, this is the end of the video. Like, let me tell y'all, like, I was so impressed about how good I made and installed this wig. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.